We are camping. Can you see that camper back there? This is our home, our camping spot at home.
Yes.
Oh, if you listen, you can hear the band down at the winery.
You can.
Yeah.
We're having a fire because...
We're having a fire. It's Friday night. It's probably the only night we're going to get a fire.
It's going to rain.
It's going to rain tomorrow. Sunday's going to be nice.
That's good because we're going to take you guys 1.1 miles from our house, and excuse the wind in my hair and everything because it's kind of windy here.
It is.
But we're going to take you guys down to Gervaisi's, which is right down the street, and they're having, it's called the 720 Market, and I think they have 3, maybe 4 a year.
3.
3?
Yeah.
And they have them all different spots all over town.
Yeah. What else? Tomorrow it's going to rain, so we'll probably do some cooking.
Yep.
In the camper. Maybe we'll try to get Gavin on video. You guys haven't met our son, Gavin. He's a funny little goofy redhead.
He won't be on video.
Yeah, he won't come on video.
No.
We'll try. Let's see if we can find the elusive animals.
Oh, he's recording your shenanigans.
I didn't do anything wrong. Your shenanigans.
She's the one who did the shenanigans.
What are you guys going to do today?
We're bored.
We have a problem with an animal living under our cabin. And so
John tried to burn down the cabin today.
I did. I tried to burn down the cabin today.
Sure
Not
did.
on purpose. Yeah. Serve it. Holy cow!
Oh, we gotta go.
We gotta go. So, that was crazy. We were sitting there recording, and a big gust of wind went by. We had to pull the awning in.
Hello.
Hello. One of the activities we have at Shragville is Frisbee golf. We have an 18-hole course here. So if you decide to come stay with us, you better practice your Frisbee skills. Hole 1.
Chili?
Oh man, here comes the rain. Yummy.
It's like 80 degrees here. We're at home and I've been craving chili for like a week. So that's what I'm going to make. We're going to make some black bean and steak chili. I have about a pound of bacon here. We're just going to get it in the pot. And we're going to cook this until it's just, we don't want it brown. Because we're going to cook this chili for quite a long time, so I'm just going to let it sweat down. So I've rendered down my bacon. I don't want it fully cooked. I'm going to go ahead and add about 1 large onion to this mixture.
The camper smells wonderful.
I'm going to sweat these onions down for a little bit, and then we'll keep going. I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to cook that until it's done. Alright guys, we have our hamburger cooked. To this I'm going to add about 2 large bell peppers and about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Why are we making chili again?
I don't know, but it's hot in here.
It is hot. It's hot. Like, ow!
I know,
Holy crap!
that burnt me.
If you guys were able to smell this right now, it just smells
We need smell-o-vision.
amazing.
You know, when I was a kid, they said, oh, you'll have smell-o-vision before you turn 50.
That was on Willy Wonka.
Oh, was it?
They had smell-o-vision and lickable wallpaper.
We have lickable wallpaper.
What tastes like glue?
Oh.
Do you
I've
really
been
lick
licking it for years. I thought it was
We don't
tasty.
have wallpaper in our house even. Are
I
you
know,
licking the camper walls?
No, people.
So, to this, we have SPG. This is salt, pepper, and garlic. I keep it in my house. It is mixed in a little container. I use it for everything. So we're going to add that. I have 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. I have 1 tablespoon
Smell it.
of chili powder. I have 1 tablespoon of cumin. Just going to stir that around. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. If you guys had a bunch of liquid in your meat before you added the other ingredients that we just talked about, you guys need to drain that off. I took roughly about 2 pounds of sirloin steak and I put it on the grill, and the only thing that I was doing on the grill is to get a good char. I was not looking to cook the steak because obviously this chili is going to cook for a rather long time, so any undoneness, if you will cook as we cook the chili. Now, this recipe calls for about a half of a beer. And that's a catch-22 with us because John does have celiac disease. He cannot drink regular beer, and I don't like IPAs, so I'm not going to waste a half a can of his Glutenberg to put in my chili. So I'm just going to roughly...
It's $12 for a 4-pack.
Right. I'm just going to roughly add about 6 ounces of beef stock. And to this, I am going to add 1 large can of diced tomatoes, and 1 large can of crushed tomatoes.
Hey.
What?
That's hard to do. I love you for making food.
Gosh, I'm not trying to get off. And here, I have 2 cans of drained and rinsed black beans. You're
Sorry.
such a dork.
Go.
Alright, so it's hard. It's hard, you guys.
Alright,
It's
go.
hard sometimes. Alright, so we're gonna let this chili cook for about an hour. My husband is losing it behind the camera. He can't get it together. We're gonna thicken this chili up, and this is something I haven't tried before. However, this is gluten-free cornmeal, just yellow cornmeal. People say that they thicken their corn. Try that again. People.
Did you turn the pump on
it's
again?
Off.
Okay. She bumped the pump.
Oh my gosh. Put that on the bloopers reel for the end of the season.
And it'll be called She Bumped.
Alright guys, so this has been cooking for about an hour. We're going to go ahead and add our thickener, which is...
Let me see how... it's still a little bit runny.
So I'm just going to add this cornmeal.
And that quick dinner is served. Sunday morning. Looks like rain, people, but it is not going to rain. So we had a little problem last night. We turned on the fan in the camper, and all you could hear was the electric kicking on, but no fan. AC was working, but no fan. So got up there early this morning, popped that off. Fan motor was seized up a little bit, put a little lithium grease, and it's running like a champ. Just in time, because look at this traffic. Look at this traffic. Backed up. And it's going to be backed up all day. And this sidewalk will be full of people. It's the 7:20 market at Gervais'.